We're trying to figure out how many times that fraction is how many times the value of 2 to the negative 17. So we need to find x. Now I want to show you something first. If you had x to the third plus x to the eighth, you could factor out x to the third. You always factor out your least exponent. X to the third into x to the third, that will leave you a 1 plus. Of course, we know this will be x to the fifth, but let me show you how you got that. You took how many you started with, which is 8, and you subtract how many you're taking out. So 8 minus 3 is 5. How many you started with minus how many you're taking out. So let's apply that concept. So let me erase this. And I want you to look at the numerator and tell me what your least exponent is. That's how many you can take out. So your smallest exponent in the numerator is negative 17. So we're going to factor out 2 to the negative 17. So that's going to be however many you started with, which is negative 14, minus how many you're taking out, negative 17. That ends up being negative 14 plus 17, so that's going to be a 3, plus 2. How many you started with, negative 15, minus a minus 17 is negative 15 plus 17, or positive 2. And then 2 to the negative 16 plus 17 will be 1. Of course, that would be a 1. All over 5 equals x parentheses 2 to the negative 17. All right. Well, the first thing you can do is you can divide both sides by 2 to the negative 17. So those will be gone. And then that's going to be 8 plus 4 plus 3. Multiply both sides by 5, you get 5x. And that's 15 equals 5x, and that's 3 equals x. So it's 3 times. There's your answer.